Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need 2 accounts now, your Google AdSense and a verified Payoneer profile. Start by opening Payoneer, complete identity checks, and add your local bank or card. This speeds transfers. Once done, make sure your AdSense has reached the payment threshold and is free of policy issues. Also confirm that Payoneer supports payouts in your country so you don't hit a block. This sets a clean foundation, so you won't waste time later updating documents or fixing verification holds. Open AdSense Payments and choose Manage Payment Methods. Choose Add Payment Method. If Payoneer appears, select it. Otherwise, pick International Bank Transfer and paste the Payoneer-provided receiving bank details. Enter the exact account number, SWIFT or routing codes, and set the currency preference. Mismatch causes delays. Once entered, save and select this as primary if you want future earnings routed automatically. Make sure to read any on-screen notes about transfer times so your expectations match reality before you finish. After adding Payoneer, you'll often need to confirm with a small test deposit or a verification code. Check Payoneer and your bank within 3 to 5 business days. Once verified, go back to AdSense, set Payoneer as your primary payment method, and wait for the next payout cycle. If payment fails, first check for simple issues, wrong account numbers, currency mismatch, or regional limitations. If problems persist, contact Payoneer support with the AdSense transaction ID. That resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.